Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art class. We are going to paint a clutch. I have given a base coat here with yellow color, and for this I have just used this big brush, and I made very diluted yellow color. I used Fevicryl's yellow paint, and then I have given different strokes. Now I'm going to draw on it. Base color was white originally. I've given a touch of cream color on it. So let me draw quickly. I'm going to draw a floral pattern, very simple one. So our design is ready and I'm going to use dark red color. This is Fevicryl's dark red. I'm using a very thin brush. I'll start with this tendril. With this, our painting is complete. I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing and sharing the information about my YouTube channel, Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.